Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Moki Step from Rightline Gear. And we know that by adding larger tires and a suspension lift to your Wrangler can give you the added benefit of additional ground clearance for your next off-road adventure. However, when you do that, of course, we're increasing the overall height of the vehicle. And if you like to carry any extra gear along with you up high on the roof of your Jeep, well, it's going to start to present some challenges. And that's where the Rightline Gear Moki Step comes in, giving you a step up, making it much easier to access the top of your vehicle. The step installs very easily by simply slipping underneath of the door latch and then resting against your door jamb, giving you a large, stable platform to step on, whether you're loading or unloading gear, or maybe just washing your Jeep after your most recent weekend adventure. The Moki Step is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, and it's strong enough to support up to 400 pounds. It does feature a nice coated hook, as well as a large rubber bump pad, so you're not going to worry about it scratching up your door jamb. While the large step on top here features a great aggressive tread pattern to give you a very sure footing. Like I mentioned, once you install that, because it is a universal design, you can use it in your front doors, your rear doors, or really any other vehicle that has this U-shaped door latch. If we take some measurements of the Moki Step, we can see it measures 8 3/4 inches from end to end. The step is a large 3 inches wide and measures 5 1/4 inches tall. So even though it gives you a great large step platform, it's still a nice compact design that you can store away in your center console, your glove box, really anywhere in your Jeep. If you guys want to get any more information or purchase a Moki Step to keep in your Wrangler, you can click on that info button and head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions, you can leave those for us in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you'll definitely want to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.